Good morning. Today we are going to learn about file names and extensions. When we work with the computer, we are using various softwares and doing various files, right? So, examples like Word documents, PowerPoint presentations, then various images we are creating. So, when we creating those files, we are giving names for those files to identify, even later to identify what is this file, what it is exactly. Without opening that file, by the name we should be able to know what is this file. So that's what we call the file name, the name which we are giving to that file. So when we are giving that name and asking to save, okay, when I say okay, give this name and save it, then automatically with that system software, the computer keeps another name. That's what we call the extension. It keeps the data, okay, with what software I have to open this file, and what are the special features even in this software, what are the special features we have to use for this file. That's what they are keeping, that's what the computer identify with this extension, or with this file extension. So here you can see the internet is the file name. So then the .jpg is the extension. So here you can see this is how a file's name is being made. The first part for us, the users, and the second part for the computers, right? So here you can see there are two types actually, the extension .jpg and .jpeg. Both are the same, so they are using for image files. And if there's something and something with animation and all, most of the time .gif is coming for those animation things. So then the software which is opening this gif file knows, okay, there's a part of animation here, so I have to take care about that, something like that the software knows, right? Then earlier when we are using paint, most of the time the files has been saved as .bmp. Then nowadays we are putting uploading so many images, so for that mainly we are using .png format. So all these things are image files. Right now here I'm not going to explain about what is image software and why these extensions has are being used like that. It will be comes with another lesson, but here I'm telling you these kind of extensions, these are the examples for extensions where the computer uses it to identify the software which it has should be opened. And when with the software, even it's opening, there are some softwares, various file types, various file extensions are there in the same software, but it mentions, okay, this should open like this should be open like that. Likewise the guidelines are there with the software, right? So the next one is, now when we are creating things with Word document, you might have seen this .docx. So nowadays the Word processor, the Microsoft which we are using, it gives a .docx extension. But if you are using 2003 Office package 2003, or before that, an older version actually, then you will get the extension as .doc, right? So these are Word document files, but these are not only the extension, these are not only the only, you can't say there's only two extensions, there are so many. I have given only two examples here. In this bitmap, the image file case also, it's like that, there are so many other image file extensions, but I have given only four examples, right? So when we come with the sound files and all, you are getting this .mp3. You are very familiar with this, I think. So this .mp3 means a file extension, a file type, right? Sound file. there are wave files, there are various other sort of audio files, right? Then I think I have discussed about this earlier with earlier video. It's about compressed files, right? The zip file and .zip and .rar, where we can compress the files. Now think I just want to send some files to a particular person, okay, the person who needs those files. So I can put everything in a folder, but like as it is, I can't send through email or any other online message sending method like WhatsApp or Viber, anything. Then I have to attach it one by one. Think there are 10 files, I have to attach it one by one. But you can do one thing, you can put it in one folder and you can zip it. And you can send that as a one single file. Another thing is, when you are zipping, the size will be compressed, size will be little bit reduced, right? So then you might ask, do we have to put 10 files? Can't we zip only one single file? That also can be done. If you want, you can zip the 10 files for 10 times and send it. Then the main thing is, there you want to compress the file, you want to reduce the size. Now there are various things why we are compressing. Sometimes we want to send the whole folder as it is to someone. And another thing is, if I want to send it to somebody with more security, like I can put it in one folder, I can zip it, and then I can give a password. Then only the person who should have this file will be having, I will be given that person the password, then only he can open that compressed file. If somebody else got, that person can't open it, right? Because there's a password, right? So here I have given question marks for the next three things. So this is actually a homework where you have to find these extensions. When I say these extensions for Microsoft Excel spreadsheet, there might be more than one. For database management systems, there might be more than one. PowerPoint presentation, definitely there's more than one extension. So you have to find those and you can list out it, okay, and keep it with you when you come for the next online class. Now I have to mention here, when I give this when I explain this, you can just go to Google search engine. I know most of you are having internet, so you can just go to Google search engine and you can put these like, okay, image file or you can give a generic term like file extension examples. So they will give examples for these. So you can just find the answers, collect some more image file extensions, and collect some more mp3 sound file extensions, and try to find these three question marks, answers for these three question marks, and keep those things ready when we meet up for the next online class. Okay, have a nice day.